Okay, good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about structure of ethene. So overall, ethene contain sp2 hybridization. So carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization. So today class we have discussed about structure of acetylene or ethine. Okay, what is the formula of ethine? C2H2. C2H2. It is called acetylene. Okay. So ethine. It's contain triple bond. Okay. Between carbon CH triple bond CH. C2H2 or CH triple bond CH. Suppose we have taken one carbon. So how much atomic number of carbon? 6. We write the electronic configuration of carbon. So that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Total 6 electrons. Okay. So here 2s2, 2p2 is the outer shell or valency shell. Overall, we write the another electronic configuration. So p orbital contain px, py, pz. Okay, so 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0, 0. So overall only p orbital contain 2 electrons, 1, 2, remaining 0. We write for a orbital. So this is the ground state. Okay, already we know that this is ground state. So we write for a orbital. So outer shell, it is 2s orbital and next 2p orbital. So 2s orbital contain 2 electrons, 2p orbital contain 1 electron. Okay, so overall, when 2s orbital is lower energy shell, 2p orbital is higher energy shell. When lower energy shell of electron is absorbed some energy, that time that lower energy shell of electron is jumped from lower energy shell to higher energy shell. Okay, that is called excited state. Okay, lower energy shell electron jump to higher energy shell. So we write excited state. Excited state. So it is a 2s orbital and it is 2p orbital 1 1. So 2s orbital of 1 electron is jumped to 2p orbital. So in excited state it contains how many single electrons? 4 single electrons. So overall, suppose carbon triple bond, carbon bond H, bond H. So this carbon contains 4 single electrons in excited state. Okay. So one electron, hydrogen contains 1 single electron, 1s1. Okay. So one single electron of hydrogen atom is bonded with 1 single electron of carbon. Okay, so as it is also 4 electrons. So one single electron bonded with each other. But remaining this carbon contains 3 carbons, 3 electrons. Another carbon contains 3 electrons. Okay, one electron is bonded with the hydrogen carbon. So it is also one electron is bonded with carbon and hydrogen. But remaining this carbon contains 3 single electrons, this carbon contains 3 single electrons. Okay, listen. Suppose you have taken one carbon, this carbon attached with one hydrogen atom. Okay, one bond. But one carbon contains how many single electrons? 3 single electrons. Another atom also 3 single electrons. Okay, so that another atom of 3 single electrons is bonded with this carbon. So between carbon and carbon contain how many bonds? 3 bonds. 3 electrons, 3 electrons to form 3 bonds. Okay. So overall, what is the hybridization? Suppose for example, carbon triple bond H, bond H. So this carbon contain 4 bonds.
Yes.
This carbon also contain 4 bonds.
Yes.
Okay. So in these 4 bonds, overall it is a single bond. Single bond means sigma bond. Okay, single bond means sigma bond. So between carbon and carbon, triple bond.
Yes.
So triple bond means 1 sigma, 2 pi bonds. Okay, so double bond, 1 sigma, 1 pi. Triple bond, 1 sigma, 2 pi bonds. Okay, 1 sigma, 2 pi bonds. So overall 2 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. So total bond 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds. In these 4 bonds, these 2 bonds is sigma bonds, these 2 bonds is pi bonds. Okay, so these 2 bonds sigma, remaining 2 pi. So in hybridization, we are considered only sigma bonds. Pi bonds do not consider in hybridization because just like pi bonds is weak bonds. Okay, so SP hybridization only. Each carbon in acetylene. So this carbon also undergoes sp hybridization, or this carbon also undergoes sp hybridization. Okay, so in acetylene, each carbon undergoes sp hybridization. So what is the structure? Suppose we draw the structure of acetylene. Suppose carbon, carbon, carbon. So this carbon attached with the hydrogen. This carbon is attached with the hydrogen. So it is overlapping between these two orbitals. Okay, this attachment is called as like overlapping. Attachment is called overlapping between two orbitals. Okay, so it is the one hydrogen. It is one hydrogen. So it is the sigma bond. It is sigma bond. So remaining between carbon and carbon, how many bonds? 3 bonds. 3 bonds. So in these 3 bonds, 1 sigma, 2 pi bonds. So that sigma bond is we will draw just like it is parallel to axis. Okay, parallel shape, just like parallel to the carbons. So it is a sigma. Next, remaining 2 pi bonds. That pi bonds contain, so perpendicular to axis. Okay, so perpendicular is it? So pi bond. Next, another pi bond. Pi bond, pi bond. So 2 pi bonds and 1 sigma between carbon and carbon. Okay, between carbon and hydrogen, 1 sigma bond. Okay, so it is a structure of acetylene. Okay, so overall in acetylene, carbon undergoes sp hybridization. Okay, it is clear? Okay. So next further, so 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. So that is a primary carbon, just like 1 degree. And next secondary carbon, 2 degree. And tertiary carbon, 3 degree, or neocarbon, 4 degree. Okay, so overall 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. 1 degree means primary carbon, 2 degree means secondary carbon. 3 degree means tertiary carbon. 4 degree means neocarbon. Okay, or quaternary carbon. Okay, simply neocarbon. Okay, so what is primary carbon? Suppose we have taken one carbon. So this which carbon is attached with another one carbon? Which carbon is attached with another one carbon? So that carbon is primary carbon or 1 degree. Suppose we have taken this carbon. So this carbon is attached with one carbon, another one carbon. So this carbon is 1 degree, primary carbon. Or suppose we have taken this carbon. So this carbon is also attached with one carbon. It is also 1 degree. Okay, do you understand? Okay. This carbon attached with how many carbon atoms? One. So 1. So this is primary. Suppose we have taken this carbon. So this carbon is also attached with one carbon. So it is also 1 degree. Suppose example CH3 bond CH3. Suppose it is ethane. C2H6 ethane. So this carbon attached with only one carbon. So it is 1 degree. So our primary carbon. This carbon primary carbon. So this carbon also primary carbon. Okay, this carbon also attached with one carbon. Could you understand? Okay, this carbon attached with one carbon. So this carbon also attached with one carbon. So this carbon also primary carbon. It is also primary carbon. Next further, second one. So secondary carbon. Secondary carbons means one carbon attached with two carbons. Suppose this carbon, middle carbon. So middle carbon attached with how many carbons? Two carbons. So middle carbon, which carbon? Secondary carbon. Okay, but we have taken this carbon. This carbon attached with only one carbon. So it is primary. This carbon also attached with only one carbon. So it is also 1 degree. It is 1 degree, it is 1 degree. But it is 2 degree. Okay, do you understand? So this is 2 degree. Means this middle carbon attached with two carbon atoms. But it is 1 degree. This carbon atom is attached with only one carbon. This is also 1 degree. This carbon also attached with one carbon. Suppose for example CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3. So middle carbon attached with two carbon atoms. So it is 2 degree. Secondary carbon. Suppose this carbon attached with one carbon. It is primary carbon. So it is also primary carbon. Next one, tertiary carbon. Which carbon attached with three carbons? Okay, suppose one carbon attached with one carbon, primary. One carbon attached with two carbons, secondary. One carbon attached with three carbons, tertiary. Okay, suppose this carbon attached with carbon. Okay, so this carbon attached with how many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. So this carbon is the tertiary carbon. Or 3 degree. Suppose CH3 bond CH bond CH3 bond CH3. So this carbon tertiary carbon. Because just like this carbon attached with how many carbons? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Our next one, 4th degree. Our neocarbon. So which carbon is attached with the 4 carbon atoms? That carbon is called neocarbon or 4 degree. Okay, suppose this carbon attached with one carbon. This is primary carbon. This carbon attached with 2 carbons. So it is 2 degrees. This carbon attached with 3 carbons. Tertiary. This carbon attached with 4 carbons. That is the neo. Suppose for example CH3 bond, carbon, CH3 bond, CH3 bond, CH3. Okay, so this middle carbon attached with how many carbon atoms? 4 carbon atoms. Just like it is simply called neopentane. Neopentane. So overall C5H12. C5H12. Okay, this is also called neopentane. Okay, so overall 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. One carbon attached with another carbon, only one carbon. That carbon is called primary carbon. So which carbon attached with 2 carbon atoms? That carbon is secondary carbon. So which carbon attached with 3 carbon atoms? That carbon is called tertiary carbon or 3 degree. Which carbon attached with 4 carbon atoms? That carbon is called neocarbon or 4 degree. Okay, so it is a primary carbon, secondary carbon, tertiary carbon, neocarbon. Okay. So further we have discussed about preparation of benzene and chemical properties of benzene. So preparation of benzene and chemical properties of benzene is very important. So already we have discussed about the preparation of ethane and chemical properties of ethane, preparation of ethylene and chemical properties of ethylene, and preparation of acetylene and chemical properties of acetylene. Okay, now we have discussed about preparation of benzene and chemical properties of benzene. Okay, now so preparation of benzene. So what is the formula of benzene? C6H6. Okay, C6H6 is the formula of benzene. So overall we write different types of structures. Suppose carbon bond carbon bond carbon bond carbon. So total 6 carbons. Each carbon attached with one hydrogen. Each carbon attached with one hydrogen. So overall each carbon contains 4 bonds. So that time listen. So bond. Okay, bond. So in this structure each carbon contains 4 bonds. Suppose this carbon 1 2 3 4. Suppose this carbon 1 2 3 4. This carbon 1 2 3 4. This carbon 1 2 3 4. Each carbon contains 4 bonds. So we draw the another structure. Suppose so bond. Okay, bond. So we write another form like I suppose carbon. So bond H. So bond. We have changed the bonds. Bond. Okay. So overall we have changed the bonds. Okay. So here also each carbon contains 4 bonds. Suppose carbon 1 2 3 4. Carbon 1 2 3 4. Carbon 1 2 3 4. So we write the another form. So overall bond. So this structure also benzene structure. This structure also benzene structure. Okay, as it is. Suppose we write the another form also. Circle. Okay, so these are all benzene structures. 1 2 3. Okay, so different types of structures. So how it is prepared? From first preparation from sodium benzoate. Okay, from sodium benzoate. So what is the formula of sodium benzoate? Overall C6H5COONe. C6H5COONe. Suppose it is a benzene. It is a benzene. So this formula C6H6. When this benzene attach of one chlorine, so it is called chlorobenzene. When attach of one chlorine, loss of one hydrogen. Okay, attach of one chlorine, loss of one hydrogen. So C6H5 only, Cl. Okay, so see what is the formula? C6H6 is the benzene. Okay, when attach of chlorine, loss of one hydrogen, C6H5 only. C6H5Cl. So chlorobenzene. Okay, chlorobenzene. Or suppose when benzene attach of Br. So bromobenzene. So attach of one bromine, loss of one hydrogen. So what is the formula? C6H5Br. Bromobenzene. Okay, bromobenzene. As is, suppose for example, attach of another chlorine. Okay, so attach of another chlorine. So overall, we have given the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many chlorine atoms? 2 chlorine atoms. One chlorine atom attached with the first place, another chlorine atom attached with second place. So we write 1, 2. So dichloro. Okay, 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Or it is also, what is the formula? C6H4 means attach of 2 chlorine atoms, loss of 2 hydrogens. Okay, C6H4Cl2. Okay, C6H4Cl2. So overall dichlorobenzene. Or simply, what is the impact? 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Or suppose for example, this benzene attached with a total 6 chlorine atoms. So loss of 6 hydrogens. Okay, loss of 6 hydrogens. So what is the formula? C6Cl6. Okay, so loss of 1 chlorine. Sorry, attach of 1 chlorine, loss of 1 hydrogen. C6H5. So loss of add of 2 chlorines, loss of 2 hydrogens. C6H4. Attach of 6 chlorine atoms, loss of 6 hydrogens. So C6Cl6. So completely loss of hydrogens. Okay. So how many chlorine atoms? 6. Hexachlorobenzene. Okay. Hexachlorobenzene. As is. Suppose. So it is 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. Suppose chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So chlorine attached with which places? 1, 3. So 1, 3 dichlorobenzene. Okay. Or suppose chlorine attached with the chlorine. So overall 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 4 dichlorobenzene. Okay. Okay, 1 carbon 4 dichlorobenzene. Or suppose, so it is a benzene. It is a benzene. So this position is called a ortho position. It is also ortho position. Ortho. This position is a meta position. This position also meta position. So this position is a para position. Okay, para position. So overall ortho, meta, para. Okay, suppose for example, so it is benzene. So C6H5COONA. So it is COONA. So attach of COONA, loss of one hydrogen. Okay, so C6H5COONA. So what is this? Sodium benzoate. Suppose it is attached with one chlorine. So we have given the number 1, 2. 2 chloro sodium benzoate. So it is sodium benzoate. So attach of chlorine which place? Second place. So 2 chloro sodium benzoate. R another name. So which position?
Second position.
Which position? Ortho position. Okay, so it is also called orthochlorosodium benzoate. So sodium benzoate. This chlorine attached which place? Ortho place. So orthochloro sodium benzoate. Or suppose metachloro sodium benzoate or parachloro sodium benzoate. Okay, so different positions: ortho position, meta position, and para position. Okay, so overall sodium benzoate. When this sodium benzoate reacts with the soda lime. What is this? Soda lime. So the soda lime is the combination of two compounds, that is sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Okay, it is the combination of two compounds, that is sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Okay, so when this sodium benzoate reacts with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, in the presence of calcium oxide catalyst. Okay, in the presence of calcium oxide catalyst. Okay, to form in this reaction C6H5 one hydrogen, C6H6. Okay, C6H6. So it is the benzene. And next further Na2 and CO3 Na2 sodium carbonate. Okay, sodium carbonate. So when sodium benzoate reacts with the soda lime to form benzene and Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. So as it is, we have given the structure, suppose COONA. So attached of COONA it is sodium benzoate. When it is reacts with the sodium hydroxide in the presence of CaO, calcium oxide. Okay, so to form in this reaction benzene C6H6 and next further Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Okay, listen. So number 1 from sodium benzoate. This sodium benzoate reacts with the soda lime. So soda lime is the combination of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. So overall sodium benzoate is reacts with the NaOH and in the presence of CaO calcium oxide to form benzene and sodium carbonate. So next class further remaining preparation and